Want to transform your kid's drawing into a stunning, realistic masterpiece? Stick with me. This quick tutorial will show you exactly how. I'll walk you through the magic ChatGPT prompt that makes it happen. And the best part? I'm giving it to you completely free. You'll find the download link right in the description. I've got a site open here with some adorable kids' sketches. We're going to try a few of them and show you the side-by-side results. It's honestly mind-blowing. The process is super simple. Just open ChatGPT, upload the drawing you want to transform, paste in the magic prompt, and hit generate. That's it. And boom, your child's imagination comes to life. Now, I'll let you enjoy some of the amazing images we just created. If this prompt helps you, go grab it from the link below. Again, totally free. And if you want to support more creative tools like this, don't forget to like, subscribe, and share it with your friends. Let's keep the creativity flowing.